the $1 million question, which is, should you feel ungrateful if you wish you weren't born? Okay, first of all, I'm just sharing my opinion. I am nothing professional, anything. Okay, I'm just sharing my opinion. Now, if you have, okay, imagine you had the option to choose if you could have been born or not, and if you would have rather chosen the option of not being born, does that make you a bad and ungrateful person? First of all, I'm sure many people, millions, I'm sure billions of people have thought about this. If they had the option to not be born, they would rather not be born. They would choose that option. And I don't mean it in a depressing way. I don't mean it in an extremely sadistic or pessimistic way. Maybe it is indirectly, but I mean it in a, why would I want to go through all these hardships and this life and this world which has so many bad people with bad intentions, and I'm just facing hardships every single day and I have to just live my life. I cannot do anything about living my life. I just have to keep on living and living until someday I'm just not going to live anymore and nothing is going to be in my hands, right? Why would I want to go through this experience? And at least I have, at a few points in my life, thought, why was I born? To do what? I was born without my consent. I didn't tell anyone that I wanted to be born. I did not tell my parents that bring me in this life where I have to be independent one day and I have to earn enough money to sustain myself, and then I have to be mature about things and handle situations and be peaceful and have to take care of my skin and my body and have to earn a lot of money and then take care of myself and then people around me, and I have to be respectful and I have to be courteous and I have to be kind and I have to be nice and I have to be understanding, and then someday I'm just not going to be there and then nobody's going to care about me. Like, what is the whole point of this? And I never said I want to experience this. You know, maybe you don't know, maybe you have no idea what I'm talking about, but I have thought about this. And actually, I saw a very interesting case where a son actually sued his parents because he claimed that he was born without his consent, which means his parents should take care of him financially till the day he dies, because he never said he wanted to take on this challenge of life, which was very interesting to me. Not that I would do that, I don't condone that, but this is a very interesting concept to me because I've been thinking about it since years, right? And in the end, I feel like if you would rather not be born, then that is the opinion or that is the thought that you just have to live with for your entire life, however long or short your life is, right? You have to live being the keyword. You have to live with it. Now that you're alive, you have to live. You don't have any other option. You can't go back in time and choose to not be born. You can't do that. So you can have that thought in your mind that, oh, if that would have happened, then I would have rather. But now what? Now you have to live. You have to live. So I honestly think it is very ungrateful if someone, or if even it would be very ungrateful of me if I decide to not do anything purposeful or satisfying with my life, the only life that I have, which I never know when it is going to be taken away from me, how, when, what, where, nothing. And if I don't do anything purposeful or whatever that makes me happy or satisfied with the limited, extremely limited time that I have, and I only keep dwelling about what could have been or what should have been, then that's very ungrateful. Because the fact that I'm born means there were people living, existing, real people with real thoughts, minds, hearts, emotions, who prayed, who wished for me to come on this earth. And so goes for most of you, hopefully. Okay? And even if it doesn't matter. You can take care of yourself, you can love yourself. I hope you know that. But my point being, for majority of us, this was the fact that before we were even born, there were multiple people, if not one, which also one is a bay number. There are multiple people wishing for you and me to come on this earth just to experience life with them, honestly. And they wished purely, truly, without any malicious intent. They wished for us to experience life, for us to be happy, and they would see happiness in our happiness, Before I was even born, there were people in this world who wanted me to be born, who took care of me, and then I decide to just dwell on life at some point and then be ungrateful about that. No, if I don't think about those people, and if I just ignore this very important fact, which is why I'm alive, that is very ungrateful, right? Because there are people on this earth that spend all their efforts, energy, time, prayers, money, everything into me, and then I decide to throw it all away. So you can have the thought. I think everyone, it's okay to have the thought that I would rather not be born. But now that you're born, you cannot reverse anything. So just make something out of your life. Because if you don't, then you're very ungrateful. I think it's just a matter of perspective. I think we all need to change our perspectives. It's okay to think, oh, I wish I wasn't born. But now that you are, please do something about it, I guess. I don't know if I'm in any position to say. Actually, I am. I am in the position to talk about this because I was born. And that goes for each one of you. Everyone who is born can talk about this. What the hell? Do I have anything else to say? Let's see. I guess that's all. I mean, if I can keep on talking, guys, but it's like 5 a.m. and I need to sleep, right? So I'm just gonna sleep for now, and I'm sure I'll have a lot more to talk about. But this is very important, right? So be grateful that you even have eyes. Be grateful that you can even hear what I'm saying right now, right? Be grateful that you can even see me. Maybe you can't see me. Be grateful that you can hear me. Maybe you can't hear me. Be grateful that you have fingers. Be grateful that you have a mouth. Be grateful that you have hair. It's okay if you don't have hair. You can still be grateful for many things. Be grateful that you have 2 hands and 2 legs, and you have a working heart and a working mind and a working body, and take care of your body. Just be grateful. Wow. Saint Ria. Vote for Saint Ria. Okay, that's all. I was just sharing my opinion. I hope no one takes this very seriously. I just share whatever I think. And I can do that. I can do whatever I want. And you can do whatever you want. You can decide to love me or hate me. You can decide to be depressed, or you can decide to be happy. You can choose to do what you want to do with your life. Okay? Okay, bye.